Hello. Some upward movement in oil the week before the bank holiday, but fairly flat trading this week. The early part of the week before the bank holiday was bullish, on hopes that easing of lockdown measures in some countries would stimulate demand. Stockpiles remained stubbornly high, which tempered the bullish sentiment, but increased Chinese exports helped a weekly gain of $4 per barrel. Monday set the theme for the week as competing pressures kept the market in a narrow range. Downward pressure came from concern that the easing of restrictions may lead to a second wave of coronavirus infections. Upward pressure came from an increased level of production cuts. Thursday was the only day where prices closed higher on news of declining US stockpiles. The overall movement during the week was marginal. Brent crude for July closed last night at $35.35 per barrel, a loss of 19 cents on the previous Thursday. Despite some support from oil in the far curve, a well-supplied system meant that trading was flat overall in the week before the bank holiday. Monday began the week in bearish fashion, as increased LNG send-outs and mild weather brought downward pressure. Tuesday and Wednesday saw the market under the same pressure, and there were losses on both days. Thursday saw a small reverse in direction with increased continental exports and support from oil. Winter 20 closed last night at 32.3 pence per therm, a gain of 0.39 pence per therm on the previous Thursday. Cold weather forecasts and a more bullish, wider fuel complex led to modest gains across the week before the bank holiday. The power market followed a very similar pattern to gas this week, with weak demand and improving weather forecasts pushing weathers down up until Thursday. As with gas, Thursday was the only day of market gains, with more bullish oil and gas providing upward pressure. Winter 20 closed last night at £41.10 per megawatt hour, and that's down 35 pence on the previous Thursday. You can download the full version of this report from our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.